Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we uncover the most interesting gadgets that blend nostalgia with modern innovation. Today, we're looking at a device that redefines simplicity for the modern world, the Nokia 1100 4G. For those who remember the legendary Nokia 1100 from the early 2000s, this one's going to hit you right in the feels. Nokia has brought back the icon, not as a relic of the past, but as a reimagined 4G feature phone designed for durability, reliability, and that old-school charm everyone loved. But make no mistake, this is not just another retro remake. The Nokia 1100 4G is here to show that simplicity still has power in a smartphone-saturated world. So, let's dive deep into every aspect of this phone and see whether this modern classic deserves a place in your pocket in 2025. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 4G stays true to its roots with a design that's instantly recognizable yet refreshingly modern. The body is made from a durable polycarbonate shell, giving it the signature toughness Nokia is famous for. You can drop it, toss it in a bag, or use it daily without worrying about scratches or dents. The curved back fits comfortably in your hand, just like the original, and the tactile keypad is both satisfying and responsive. Each button gives a crisp click, making texting or dialing a pleasure rather than a chore. Nokia has also introduced subtle color variants, including a deep midnight blue, classic gray, and even a retro white with a hint of nostalgia. The design speaks to both generations, those who remember their first phone and those looking for something practical and dependable. It's lightweight, compact, and perfectly pocket-friendly. The overall aesthetic is minimalistic but purposeful, a design language that screams, function first. In a world dominated by fragile glass smartphones, the Nokia 1100 4G feels like a breath of fresh air, a phone that's built to last. Number 2. Display. The Nokia 1100 4G features a 1.8-inch QVGA color display that's sharp, bright, and perfectly adequate for everyday tasks like calling, messaging, or checking basic notifications. While it's not a touchscreen or designed for watching movies, it delivers excellent visibility under direct sunlight, something that even some expensive smartphones struggle with. The screen's contrast and clarity make it easy to read text and navigate menus, while the new colorful interface gives it a modern touch. Nokia has wisely kept the user interface simple, with large icons, bold fonts, and intuitive navigation. It's designed for anyone who values straightforward functionality over unnecessary complexity. The screen might seem small by today's standards, but that's the charm. It forces you to focus on what matters. Whether you're an older user looking for an easy-to-read display or a traveler needing a reliable backup phone, the Nokia 1100 4G screen does the job beautifully. Number 3. Performance. Inside, Nokia has equipped the 1100 4G with a Unisoc chipset optimized for lightweight operations. You won't find app-hungry performance here, but that's the point. It runs smoothly through calls, text messages, and 4G browsing without hiccups. The phone boots up almost instantly, and switching between functions is fluid. The 4G LTE connectivity ensures crystal clear voice calls and faster network speeds compared to older 2G models. There's even support for VoLTE, meaning you can make HD quality voice calls that sound crisp and natural. The operating system is optimized for simplicity, running efficiently without draining power or overloading memory. Multitasking isn't its strong suit, but for what it's built for, communication, reliability, and endurance, it performs perfectly. You can browse basic web pages, listen to FM radio, and send messages quickly and without lag. This performance is proof that not every device needs to be a powerhouse to be dependable. Number 4. Camera. Yes, the Nokia 1100 4G does come with a rear camera, a simple 0.8 megapixel shooter designed mainly for quick snapshots and practical use. It's not going to replace your smartphone camera, but it's perfect for capturing spontaneous moments or scanning quick images when needed. Nokia has also included basic image editing options like cropping and rotating. What's interesting is how Nokia has managed to balance simplicity with utility. The camera launches quickly, saves images fast, and works well in good lighting conditions. You won't get fancy filters or high-resolution details, but you'll get exactly what you need, a functional camera for basic photography. It's a nod to the original 1100, which didn't even have a camera, but now it's here as a small modern touch for those who like having a lens on hand. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G truly shines. The 1450 mAh removable battery is a powerhouse for such a lightweight device. It can easily last up to 5 days on a single charge, depending on usage, and provides an incredible standby time of over 2 weeks. That's something no modern smartphone can match. With fewer background processes and efficient hardware, the battery efficiency is nothing short of remarkable. You can talk for hours, listen to FM radio, or send texts all day without worrying about finding a charger. And yes, the removable battery means you can easily replace it when it starts to wear out, something that feels refreshingly practical in today's glued-together phone world. Nokia's legacy of long battery life lives on, and the 1100 4G proves it's still the master in this category. Number 6. Software and features. The phone runs on Nokia's simple 4G-ready operating system, designed for quick, easy, and intuitive use. It comes with essential apps like the phone book, messaging, alarm clock, calculator, and calendar. There's also a basic web browser, FM radio that works without earphones, a built-in torch, and even Bluetooth connectivity for transferring files or connecting wireless headsets. The iconic Snake game makes its return too, a tribute to the original Nokia days. The interface is clean, fast, and doesn't require any tech knowledge to operate. Nokia has also added accessibility features like larger font options and voice feedback for those who need it. The dual SIM capability allows users to manage 2 numbers easily, making it ideal for professionals or travelers. The 4G connectivity opens up modern features like internet browsing and high-quality calling without sacrificing the phone's simplicity. It's all about balance, classic usability with a hint of modern technology. Number 7. Value for money. In an era when even budget smartphones can cost hundreds of dollars, the Nokia 1100 4G stands as a beacon of affordability and practicality. It's priced for accessibility, offering tremendous value for those who want a reliable backup phone, a travel companion, or a minimalist's daily driver. It doesn't try to compete with flagship smartphones. Instead, it creates its own space for people who prioritize endurance, call quality, and ease of use over endless apps and distractions. It's also a perfect choice for parents buying their kids their first phone or for elderly users who need something simple yet modern. When you consider the build quality, battery life, and the addition of 4G connectivity, the Nokia 1100 4G easily justifies its price tag. In conclusion, the Nokia 1100 4G is not just a phone, it's a statement. A reminder that sometimes, less truly is more. It combines the ruggedness of the past with the essential connectivity of the present, offering a pure and distraction-free experience in a world obsessed with complexity. It's a phone built for communication, endurance, and reliability, everything that made Nokia a household name. Whether you want a nostalgic throwback or simply need a phone that just works without constant charging or software updates, the Nokia 1100 4G delivers. It's not about competing with smartphones, it's about redefining what a phone should be: simple, strong, and built to last. This is the return of the legend, reinvented for the modern age. If you've ever loved Nokia before, the 1100 4G will remind you why. Thanks for watching Apple Insider, where we bring you the best of classic innovation and new age tech. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review.